Today, I'm going to show you how to create a clean AI face and body swap effect using ChatGPT and Runway. Choose the right clip first. Choose a clip of yourself where the dialogue is minimal and the character isn't moving too much. This makes the AI face swap more accurate and stable. Now render the pre-comp. Choose QuickTime, Apple ProRes 4, 444, or any high-quality format you prefer. You can render through Media Encoder as well. 3. Convert to MP4. Once the QuickTime file is ready, open Media Encoder Import. The .mov file you just rendered. Convert it to MP4. This makes it easier to preview and select frames. Open the MP4 file in VLC Player. Look for a moment in your clip where the character is speaking the least, or the character has minimum movement. Take a screenshot of that frame. This screenshot will be your target image for AI swapping. Tell ChatGPT to generate an AI face and body swap. It will ask for 2 images. 1. Target image, the screenshot you took. 2. Main image, the face body you want to apply. Upload both. ChatGPT will then generate a clean AI swapped image. Go to Runway AI. Upload the AI swapped image and your prompt. You can create your own prompt or ask ChatGPT to write one. Add both into Runway and generate the AI video. This will create a living, breathing version of your swapped character. The generated AI video back into After Effects. Align it properly with your original clip. Match the position, match the motion, match the timing. Once aligned, apply. Apply mid-shakes, glitches, and smooth transition effects. This blends the AI footage seamlessly with your original video. And that's it. Your AI face and body swap effect is complete. This method gives you a clean, cinematic result that feels natural and realistic.